Hello, this is Keitan Thacker, and I'm with Cinch Connectivity Solutions. I'm the product manager for Johnson, and that's just one of the product lines we're showing here at the booth today, booth 635. What this is showing is our cable offering. So Semflex is the product line which makes bulk cable and also customized cable assemblies for military and defense applications. In addition, we have Trompeter. This is Semflex. Trompeter makes Twinax, triax cable assemblies. And Johnson, which is my product line, in the past year we've launched, this is an example of a 2.4 to SMPM cable assembly, available in many different lengths, both English and metric. This one is an SMP to SMP cable assembly. So we've been expanding our portfolio of cable assemblies at high frequencies. We're going to move to the next table right here. And so this is showing off all of the connector and adapter portfolio within Johnson. What's highlighted here is end launch connectors. And so our end launch connectors are available in straddle mount style and through hole, as well as cutout style. And then there's also solderless. So soldered and solderless connectors going as high as 110 gigahertz in our 1 millimeter family. We have 1.85 millimeter, SMP3, SMPM, and 2.4 millimeter going above 50 gigahertz, SMP 292 and SMA between 26.5 and 40 gigahertz, and then going down the line. So many new products launched in the past year. We've launched a narrow profile that goes from SMA up to 1.85 millimeter, so up to 67 gigahertz is one of the new product offerings. Another is we have angled connectors both in 30 degree and 45 degree. And of course, as you see down here, there's between series and same series adapters. So across all the 20 plus product families that we have in Johnson, Trompeter, and Midwest, we can support in series and same series with really high precision and high performance. Moving one more booth here over. This is really focused on the Midwest products. So Midwest Microwave has power dividers, couplers, DC blocks, but the biggest portion of the portfolio is in attenuators and terminations. And so that's a really strong focus. Again, supports military and defense. Really strong heritage in space products for the whole Cinch portfolio. And then last, Trompeter, this is showing the different solutions, couplers and adapters and cable assemblies supporting the MIL standard 1553 data bus, which is Trompeter. So this is a quick summary of the full Cinch portfolio that's shown here at IMS today.